Hi, welcome to this video. So, in this video, we will see AI coding 0 to hero, building apps with AI coding agents and automation. Okay, so in day 0, we will see it's about course introduction and setup. What are the topics we are going to cover? What is AI coding? What is vibe coding? Traditional versus AI coding and environment setup. Then in project and tech, we will see how to generate a web page in just a minute using tools like Cursor, VS Code. We will use GitHub Copilot and Antigravity. That's from Google. In day 1, we will explore introduction to vibe coding. What are the topics? Prompt driven development, working with AI as a partner, writing effective prompts. Project and tech. In project, we will explore personal portfolio website using HTML and CSS. So, it will be a completely beginner friendly course and gradually we will increase the complexity. On day 2, we will explore AI assisted coding with modern IDEs. So, what are will be the topics? AI IDE features, code completion and refactoring, and AI debugging. Okay. Then in project and tech, we will build a simple blog website using tools GitHub Copilot or Cursor or Antigravity. In day 3, we will explore building your first web app using AI. So, the topics we will cover in this chapter: planning apps with AI, breaking features into prompts, and iterative development. We will go for a simpler one, to-do list app using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. In day 3, we will explore this. On day 4, we will see debugging AI generated code. Topics we will cover: why AI code breaks, fixing errors using AI, and debugging workflow. Project and tech, advanced to-do app. We will add different features to our app like task filtering. We will use tools like Cursor, Antigravity, or GitHub Copilot. In day 5, we will building a simple full stack app. What are the key features, key topics we will cover? Backend fundamentals, REST APIs, and connecting frontend to backend. Project and tech. Project will do a Nodes app, we will create a Nodes app. We will use technologies like Node.js and Express. On day 6, we will adding AI features to our app. AI APIs overview, using LLMs in apps, API keys and prompting. Project AI text generator web app. We can use tools like OpenAI, Claude and Gemini. Okay, OpenAI, Claude and Gemini. LLMs will use from these companies. Okay. Then on day 7, we will automate the task with AI. What are the key topics we will cover? AI automation tools, workflow automation, and connecting application. Project AI reply, email reply generator. We can use tools like Na10 and AI APIs. Mostly we will use Gemini, Google Gemini API. You can also go for OpenAI API. Or I will also show you how to use Open Router, and you can also use NVIDIA APIs, NVIDIA site for APIs. Day 8, we will explore smart AI apps with knowledge. Topics we will cover: AI knowledge bases, document search or RAG, then embeddings. Project and tech, AI FAQ assistant, so tools, simple databases and embeddings. On day 9, we will do introduction to AI agents. Topics we will cover: autonomous AI workflows, AI doing dev tasks, and agentic architecture. So now agentic AI is hottest. So we will explore about agentic architecture, and we will go for AI research agent using the tools like Crew AI or AutoGen. On day 10, we will do future of AI coding and next steps, coding agents roadmap, AI building full apps, career roadmap, and project and tech will auto generated a small app using AI. Okay. So this will be a 10-day series. So summary, the modern tool stack. What are the tool stacks we are going to use? AI IDEs, we will use Antigravity, that's from Google. Claude, we can use Cursor, we can use Copilot, GitHub Copilot. Okay. In development and operations, we can use Node.js, Express, Git, GitHub. We will explore all those tools. Automation, we can use Na10, OpenAI API, we can use Gemini API embeddings. So, if you want to join this series, you can join this channel for this series, 10-part video series. Okay, that's for it. That's for this video. Thank you.